Alex here. Today we're tackling the big question: what do you do now that Mint is shutting down? For years, Mint was the go-to for managing family finances. Simple, free, and reliable. Its closure left many scrambling for a replacement. But the fintech world has stepped up. There are now several modern budgeting apps with better features and a stronger focus on family needs. In this video, I'll break down the 4 best Mint alternatives for families, covering design, collaboration, and price. Ready to upgrade your money management? Let's dive in. First up is Monarch Money, the premium upgrade for Mint users. If you've been searching for a worthy successor to Mint, Monarch Money is designed to fill that gap, and then some. It's built for people who want more than just basic budgeting, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for families and individuals who want to take control of their finances in a modern, intuitive way. Monarch's clean, modern dashboard gives you a full view of your net worth, cash flow, and transactions, all in one place. The interface is visually appealing and easy to navigate, making it simple to see where your money is going and how your financial picture is evolving over time. You can quickly spot trends, track spending, and get a holistic sense of your financial health without feeling overwhelmed by clutter or confusing menus. The standout feature: true multi-user collaboration. Invite your partner or family, and everyone works from the same data. No more sharing logins or spreadsheets. Monarch is built for teamwork, so you can assign roles, set permissions, and make sure everyone's on the same page. Whether you're budgeting with a spouse, teaching kids about money, or managing shared expenses, Monarch makes it easy to collaborate and communicate about your finances. Transitioning from Mint is easy with Monarch's Chrome extension, which imports your entire Mint history and categories. You don't have to start from scratch. Your years of financial data, custom categories, and transaction history can all come with you. This seamless migration means you can pick up right where you left off, without losing any of your hard-earned insights or having to manually re-enter information. Customization is powerful. Set up your own categories, rules, and automate transaction sorting. Monarch lets you tailor your financial tracking to fit your unique lifestyle. You can create custom tags, set up recurring transactions, and even build rules to automatically categorize your spending. This level of control means your budget works the way you do, not the other way around. Goal tracking is built in. Set savings targets for anything from vacations to retirement, and see your progress in real time. Visual progress bars and detailed reports help keep you motivated, whether you're saving for a big family trip, a new car, or building an emergency fund. Monarch makes it easy to break down big dreams into achievable steps, so you can celebrate milestones along the way. Pros: gorgeous design, best-in-class family features, deep customization, and seamless Mint import. Monarch stands out for its user-friendly interface, robust collaboration tools, and the ability to personalize almost every aspect of your financial management. It's a platform that grows with you, adapting to your needs as your financial life evolves. Cons: no free plan. It's $99, $99 year or $14, $99 month with a 7-day free trial. If you want free, look elsewhere. The subscription cost may be a barrier for some, but for those who value advanced features and a polished experience, it could be a worthwhile investment. Monarch is focused on delivering premium value, not cutting corners. Investment tracking is solid, but not as deep as dedicated tools. You can monitor your portfolio, track performance, and see how your investments fit into your overall financial picture. But if you're a serious investor looking for advanced analytics, you might still want a specialized app for that. Monarch is for families ready to invest in a polished, collaborative financial hub. It's ideal for those who want to manage money together, set shared goals, and keep everyone informed and engaged. If you're looking for a tool that brings your family's finances into one organized, easy-to-use space, Monarch delivers. If you want a pro-level upgrade and value control, Monarch is worth a try. The platform is designed for people who are serious about their financial future and want the flexibility to manage it their way. With its powerful features and thoughtful design, Monarch can help you take your money management to the next level. Think of it as moving from basic to premium. More power, more features, and a better experience. Monarch is like upgrading from a starter home to your dream house. Everything feels more spacious, more comfortable, and more capable of supporting your family's needs. Try the free trial to see if it fits your family. With no risk and plenty of features to explore, Monarch Money could be the upgrade your financial life has been waiting for. Next up is Quick and Simplify, the easy, affordable choice for families who want clarity without complexity. If you're looking for a budgeting app that's approachable for everyone in the household, from tech-savvy teens to busy parents, Simplify stands out as a user-friendly contender. It's designed to take the stress out of managing money, making it a great fit for families who want to stay organized without feeling overwhelmed by financial jargon or complicated features. Simplify's dashboard is clean and straightforward, showing what you have, what you owe, and what's left for the month. The interface is visually appealing and easy to navigate, so you can quickly check your balances, upcoming bills, and recent transactions at a glance. Even if you're new to budgeting apps, you'll find it intuitive to set up and use. Its standout feature is the personalized spending plan. It automatically calculates your discretionary money after bills and essentials, so you know exactly what's safe to spend. This means you don't have to guess or do mental math. Simplify does the heavy lifting for you, helping you avoid overspending and stay on track with your financial goals. Watch lists let you track spending in custom areas, like kids' activities, takeout, or even pet expenses, without micromanaging every single category. You can set alerts for when you're getting close to your limit, making it easy to spot problem areas before they get out of hand. Goal setting is simple. Set targets for savings, whether it's for an emergency fund, a family vacation, or new school supplies. And Simplify helps you stay on track. The app visually tracks your progress, so the whole family can celebrate milestones together. Pros: extremely easy to use, low learning curve, and affordable at around $3/month. It's budget-friendly, so you don't have to worry about high subscription fees eating into your savings. Plus, the personalized spending plan is a game-changer for families who want to know exactly where their money is going. Cons: there's no free version, just a 30-day trial, so you'll need to commit if you want to keep using it. Investment tracking is basic, so if you're looking for in-depth portfolio analysis, you might need another tool. And while you can share a login, there's no dedicated family sharing feature, which can be a drawback for larger households. Multi-user support is limited. You can share a login, but it's not built for households like Monarch. Still, for most families, sharing access is simple enough, and the app's design makes it easy for everyone to stay in the loop. Simplify is perfect for families who want a no-fuss, modern budgeting app that just works. It's ideal for those who value simplicity and want to spend less time managing money and more time enjoying life together. If you want to know, how much can I spend? This is your app. It gives you a clear answer, so you can make confident decisions about everyday purchases, big or small. It strips away the complexity and keeps you focused on your monthly cash flow and goals. You won't get bogged down in details, but you'll always know where you stand financially. For families who want simplicity, peace of mind, and a clear path to their financial goals, Simplify offers great value and a stress-free experience. Now, let's talk Rocket Money, the savings specialist, and the best free mint alternative. Rocket Money's free tier lets you link accounts, track spending, and set budgets. No cost, no ads. Its killer features are automated. It finds and helps cancel unwanted subscriptions and can negotiate bills like cable or internet for you. If they save you money on bills, they take a cut of the first year's savings. No savings, no fee. You can also import your Mint data for a smooth transition. Pros: free core features, unique savings tools, and a user-friendly interface. Cons: premium features like bill negotiation require a subscription, and the fee for savings can be steep. Budgeting tools are solid but less customizable than Monarch or YNAB. Rocket Money is ideal for families who want to cut waste and save money fast, with minimal effort. If you suspect you're overspending on subscriptions or bills, this app will help you find and fix leaks. It's the go-to for proactive savings and a strong free option post-mint. Try it if you want to see instant savings opportunities. Finally, YNAB, You Need a Budget, is more than just an app. It's a complete budgeting philosophy designed to transform the way families think about and manage their money. Instead of simply tracking spending, YNAB teaches you to be intentional with every dollar, helping you build a proactive relationship with your finances. It's about taking control, planning ahead, and making your money work for you, not the other way around. At the heart of YNAB is zero-based budgeting, meaning you assign every single dollar a specific job, whether it's for groceries, rent, savings, or even fun money. This approach ensures that nothing slips through the cracks, and you always know exactly where your money is going. It's a hands-on method that encourages you to be mindful and deliberate with your spending. YNAB also helps you break down big, intimidating expenses into manageable monthly goals. Instead of being caught off guard by annual insurance premiums or holiday shopping, you plan for them in advance, setting aside a little each month. This way, large expenses become stress-free, and you're never left scrambling. Life is unpredictable, and YNAB recognizes that. The system is built to be flexible, allowing you to adjust your budget as circumstances change. If you overspend in one category, you can easily move money from another, keeping your financial plan on track without guilt or stress. The ultimate goal: to spend money you earned at least 30 days ago. This means you're always a month ahead, breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle that so many families struggle with. It's a powerful shift that brings peace of mind and financial stability. YNAB is designed with families in mind. You can share your subscription with up to 6 people, making it easy for everyone in the household to stay on the same page. Whether you're budgeting with a partner, kids, or even extended family, everyone can contribute and see updates in real time. The platform also offers a wealth of educational resources, live workshops, step-by-step tutorials, and a dedicated podcast. These tools are designed to help you and your family master the YNAB method, answer your questions, and keep you motivated on your financial journey. The pros: YNAB offers powerful hands-on budgeting that's especially effective for families. Its educational support is unmatched, making it easier to build strong financial habits together. However, there are a few cons. The learning curve can be steep, and it requires active engagement. There's no free tier, with a cost of $99 per year. Or if you prefer, you can pay $14.99 per month. While the price may seem high, many families find the value far outweighs the cost once they see the results. Fortunately, YNAB offers a generous 34-day free trial, giving you plenty of time to explore the features and see if the system fits your family's needs before committing. One thing to note: YNAB isn't as strong when it comes to investment tracking or analyzing your past spending in detail. It's focused on looking forward and planning, rather than reviewing the past. YNAB is perfect for families who are ready to get serious about their money and want to build lasting, healthy financial habits. If you crave structure, control, and a proven system that can truly change your relationship with money, YNAB is a game changer. It's not a passive tool. You'll need to be involved, updating your budget regularly and making decisions as life unfolds. But for those willing to put in the effort, the rewards are significant. You'll gain clarity, confidence, and a sense of accomplishment as you reach your goals together. Take advantage of the free trial to see if this philosophy fits your family style. For hands-on budgeters who want to be proactive and intentional, YNAB stands out as the gold standard in family budgeting. With YNAB, you're not just tracking your money, you're taking charge of your financial future, $1 at a time. There you have it. 4 top mint alternatives, each with a unique approach. Monarch Money Premium, collaborative and feature-rich. Quicken, Simplify, simple, affordable, and user-friendly. Rocket Money Free, proactive savings. YNAB, hands-on, philosophy-driven budgeting. The best choice depends on your goals, budget, and how involved you want to be. Which one fits your family? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more money management tips. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about building the life you want. Thanks for watching and see you next time.